Are you bloody tired of worrying about what's in your cookware? You spend your hard-earned money on ingredients, trying to eat healthy, and then BAM! That cheap nasty pan goes and poisons the whole lot with Teflon and God knows what else. It's enough to make you lose your appetite. Well, listen up, because in this video we're tackling that problem head-on. We're diving deep into the world of non-toxic electric griddles. Those beautiful bastards that let you cook up a storm without the fear of ingesting a load of chemicals. We've scoured the market, separating the wheat from the chaff, to bring you the top 5 best non-toxic electric griddles available on Amazon. So put down that dodgy frying pan, and let's get cooking. First up, we've got the Hamilton Beach Professional Reversible Griddle. Now, this bad boy means business. It's built like a tank, and features a pre-seasoned, non-toxic cast iron surface. That means no nasty chemicals leaching into your food, just pure, unadulterated flavor. And don't even get me started on the adjustable temperature control. You can cook anything on this thing, from delicate fish to a juicy steak, and get it perfect every time. No more excuses for serving up raw chicken, you donkey. The Hamilton Beach Professional is a real workhorse, built to last and deliver consistent results. If you're serious about your cooking and your health, this griddle deserves a place in your kitchen. Next on the chopping block is the Presto 22-inch electric griddle. This beast is all about feeding a crowd. With its generous cooking surface and removable handles, you can cook up a feast for the whole family without breaking a sweat. And the best part? It's completely free from toxic coatings. That means no nasty surprises in your food, just pure, delicious goodness. Plus, it's got a built-in drip tray, so cleaning up is a doddle. The Presto 22-inch is the perfect choice for busy families who want to eat healthy without sacrificing convenience. It's affordable, easy to use, and delivers consistently great results. At number 3, we've got the Chefman electric griddle, a real contender for those who value a quick and easy cleanup. This bad boy boasts a large, non-toxic, PFOA-free surface, so you can cook without worry. But here's the kicker, it's fully immersible. That's right, you can dunk the whole thing in water for cleaning. No more scrubbing away at stubborn grease stains. It's also got adjustable temperature control, making it perfect for everything from pancakes to eggs. The Chefman electric griddle is a versatile and convenient choice for any kitchen. Coming in hot is the GreenPan Reversible Electric Griddle, a real game-changer in the world of healthy cooking. This beauty features a PFAS-free ceramic non-stick coating and a stainless steel body, so it's built to last. But the real star of the show is the reversible cooking surface. One side is a griddle, perfect for pancakes and eggs, while the other side is a grill, ideal for searing meats and veggies. Talk about versatility. And to top it off, it's dishwasher safe. That's right, you can just chuck it in the dishwasher and let it do its thing. And finally, we have the Presto 07046 Cool Touch Electric Griddle, a real champion for those on a budget. Don't let the price fool you. This little griddle packs a punch. It's got a premium non-stick surface that's PFOA free, so you can cook healthy without breaking the bank. And because safety is paramount, it also features cool touch handles. No more burnt fingers in this kitchen. It's perfect for whipping up a quick and easy breakfast, and its compact size makes it ideal for smaller kitchens. The Presto 07046 Cool Touch Electric Griddle proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to eat healthy. It's a fantastic option for students, singles, or anyone looking for a reliable and affordable griddle. So there you have it, you Muppets. 5 fantastic non-toxic electric griddles that will have you cooking up a storm without the fear of harmful chemicals. Remember, your health is your wealth, and there's no need to compromise when it comes to your cookware. All of these griddles are brilliant choices, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. The best one for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. But no matter which one you choose, you can be sure that you're making a smart investment in your health and your cooking. Check the links in the description to find out more about each griddle, and grab yourself a bargain. And don't forget to subscribe for more brutally honest kitchen gear reviews.